bell pepper and some this one. And we got some soda and french fries and these 2 hamburgers, and we have some ketchup and with 2 pretzels, heart shape, and we have this hamburger too right here. So big, guys. Very giant one. I think it came this size, see? And look at this one. Look at this pinky pie. When you open it from here, it comes up lollipop. You can pull out the lollipop like this. So cool. Put it back in. There we go. Now we got some M&ms here. Look, M&ms. And we have got some Kinder Joy. Look at this Kinder Joy. Look at that fairy princess. And look at this, it has chocolate and white chocolate in it. Then we have this unicorn coloring book. Let me show you the pages. Look at this unicorn. It's so much cute. Let's see that other page. Look at this one. It's so much cute. What's the sticker palette? Whoa, look at those. I think I missed one page. Let's see. I missed it. Oh yeah, I missed one. Look at this one. This one's climbing up the rainbow. Oh, so cute. Yeah. Because this one is staring at the other unicorn. You love it. Let's see this page. Oh, look at this heart on her cheek. So cutie. Oh, look at this one. So much hair. This one too. So cute with the stars on it. Also, stick it out. Look at my markers. There's so much colorful. So many rainbow colors. Let's open it. Oh, let's have a tape on it. Peel it off. Right here. And then rainbow color. We have pink. We have pink and we have orange. It's kind of pinkish, but it's orange on the inside. See? And we have some maroon and red and purple and another purple, a yellow, a peachy color, a purple, a green color, and this is a gray color, a blue, and another blue, a brown, and another brown, a green color, and this orange, 2 oranges, and we have teal color, and this green, and the black. Look, so colorful. Look, guys, this is so cash register and has the cash register, and we have these pretzels, and this ketchup, and these 2 buns, and we have this french fry, and a soda, and meat, and bell pepper, and grapes, and this little thing up here. Okay, so let's open it. Let's have a tape. This one? Okay, let's open this. Oh. Open it. There we go. We got some things too. Let's see what's in here. Okay, got some coins. Coins right here. This is ATM card. And oh, we got some boxes in to put some things in. These boxes. This one is for chocolate, and this is for these things right here. Oopsie, I dropped it. So I put this right in the back so we can see this. Okay, guys, look. So he came for the food. Hello, what do you want? Can we have some french fries, please? French fries and soda, please. Soda. And this, please. Okay. That will be $20, please. Oh, here you go, my card. Okay, what? How much? Oh, only $20, please. Okay, here you go, my card. Oh, okay, then this. There we go. Now let's see and check. There we go. Now here you go, your change. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, let me eat my fries. Yum, yum, yum. Yummy. Now drink the soda. Delicious. Ah, yum. Delicious. Thank you for everything. Welcome. Bye-bye. Bye. This thing came with this soda. And look at the soda. It opens too. And I really love the design of the soda. It almost looks like a real soda, huh? And we have some french fries. And look at this french fry sticker. It's so cute. I read on the box. It almost looks like a real french fries. Look at this french fries. It's so real. It's thick. And we have some two ham patties. It's so cute. A green and a pink one. It has so much cute little Pringle right here. And we have some grapes. And we have pumpkin. And we have this bell pepper. And we have ketchup. It's a ketchup. Look, it has ketchup. Tomato ketchup. Look at this white ketchup. It's supposed to be red, but it's white. Okay guys, this is pretzels. And we have this heart-shaped pretzels. Look, so cute. And the design, I really love it. And right here. And we have this cookies here. Okay, and we got some chocolate right here. And we have some coffee. And we have some meat. And we have some coins right here. So many coins. Got it right here. Here, aren't they? And then you got some money here. And you got some ATM card. Look at this cash register. It opens like this. We can put this in and the money in. See? And put it in. And the off there is this one, and the open way is this one. See? Oh. See? It's the open way. So let's open another gift. Okay guys, I got this burger right here. And let's open it now because it's so much cool. Look, we have so many things, toppings. Let's open it right now. Whoa, we got this dice here and plate. Confused out which burger do you want? 6 burger or 4 burger or 2 or 3 or 1 or 5, any kind of. And this plate, let's get this out. There we go. Yeah, see we have so many things. And look, we got this bun, bottom bun and the top bun. And we got some tomatoes, some buns right here. And some pickles, green pickles. So cool. We got some salad right here. And we got some cheese. And we got this little thing, I don't know what it is. And it's the meat. That's all. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to build it. I'm not gonna choose any number what to pick. Let me make the burger. Let's put the bun underneath. Now some meat. 2 meats. 2 salads. Oopsie, I put it the wrong way. Like this. Oh, blue fell. And got some tomatoes. Ooh, and cheese. Okay. Ooh, done! Look at my burger! So cool! Have so many toppings! It's a giant, huge burger. What, a giant? A giant can eat this whole big burger. Size of burger. This looks so yummy. I'm gonna eat it. Delicious. Ooh, it's so many parts. Okay, guys, it's time for some sweets. My Little Pony is my favorite. Let's open the jar first. Let's open it. Ooh. Oops. see, we got some Kinder Joy inside. See guys, we have so many Kinder Joys. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6. 6 Kinder Joys. Well, look at this one. So cool. And I think it's new because it has this thing on. Okay guys, we have this M&ms right here. Let's open it up. It's very tight. Okay guys, we have some M&ms. Let me try. Let me try some. Yummy. Chocolate inside. A yellow one. Delicious. Put them back inside. There we go. Yeah, that was a good one. Yellow one. Right here. And look at this pink. Look at this Pinkie Pie. Who loves pinky colors? We have this collector's guy. Unless he has a lollipop. Lollipop. I take it out. It's a lollipop. Now, let's put it inside the back. Oopsie. There we go. What happened? There we go. So it's cutie. Hello, little ponies. Bye guys. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my present video, please like and share and subscribe. Bye.